Naka jingklat no jong Dr. Donwa Detwelson Lapang haka janmit jong kakat arterik na luar arjar persan haka sngi kababut kata khalai terik na luar arjar persan naka liang kinong ikmat kibana keseng san hima per kinong yalam balang ki pastor ki padar nalor kiwe kilai poi haka yengsa jong ni rangba kabodan halachumya ban penpau ka jing solam shaka yeng kasem jong u haka jinghikai bat uba Prestone tensong usembut mteng ba ka jela ulong ka jingdu no yu doktor di Lapang kalong ka jingdu dong ka bakrau da ka penpau wa umla ban Klet ki Jinghikai ka baula ai hau bat dei Namar Jong u ubalong kumbalong Mynta
where I am today, and it is because of his guidance, it is because of his help, it is because of his his efforts always to remind me that I should do this, I should do that. So I cannot forget about all these valuable suggestions and the guidance made by Lapang to me. And also his demise has created a huge vacuum to the state. If I'm not mistaken, he is the last senior politician who demised, and he's the only one who left in fact. And let me tell you one thing, I still remembering that time, I think I was the one who used to meet him regularly, and that on the basis of that he joined even the party NPP in the year 2018. When that time he retired from the politics, then I met him, we discussed about politics, he was so sharp, he was still so active. Then we keep discussing about politics, and ultimately he joined us in the NPP. And he was also a mentor of the party NPP till his last breath. Yeah, Lapang was very supportive to me, and I still remembering that time when there were some kind of turmoil within the Congress party. He was the one who took me to Madam Sonia Gandhi, and with Dr. Bukul, then who was the chief minister, he was the one who took me there, and then ultimately we had a meeting with Madam Sonia Gandhi, with Rahul Gandhi, and ultimately direction was given also to Dr. Mukul Sama at that time that I should be again re-inducted in the cabinet.
So this will help, the leadership of Lapang. Do you think that it will have to inspire the younger, should inspire?
The footprints of Lapang will be remembered. I think the younger generation has to learn about this. And I'm telling you, I'm the first example, I should say. I learn a lot from him, and I will never be able to forget about the way he guides me. I am as I am just because of him, who closely monitoring, who closely sharing with me whether it is right or wrong. He will straight away in front of me will say, Prestone, you have to do this, you have to do this, you have to do this. That is his quality, where he don't care. Even if it is wrong, he will tell me face to face that it is wrong.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi bana kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.